Numerology and the Bible. Numerology is the study of the numerical value of words and names. Some people believe that numerology can be used to predict the future or understand oneself better. There are many famous people who have been associated with numerology, including Abraham Lincoln, Marilyn Monroe, and Elvis Presley. But what does the Bible say about numerology? In the Bible, there are a few instances where numerology is mentioned. In one instance, the number 7 is seen as a special number because it is said to represent completeness or perfection. In another instance, the number 12 is seen as a special number because it signifies God's perfect government. There are also many other instances where numbers are seen as significant in the Bible. So what does all of this mean? Are we to believe that numerology can help us understand ourselves better or even predict the future? The answer may surprise you. While the Bible does mention numerology in a few places, it never endorses its use. In fact, in one instance, the use of numerology is actually discouraged. In the book of Leviticus, God tells Moses not to have anything to do with those who practice divination or sorcery. This would include anyone who tries to use numerology to gain insight into the future. So what does this mean for us? Well, first of all, we need to be careful about using numerology. Just because the Bible mentions it in a few places doesn't mean that we should use it. If we do choose to use numerology, we need to be very careful about how we go about doing it. We shouldn't try to use it to predict the future or gain insight into our own lives. Instead, we should use it as a tool to help us better understand God's Word. Numerology can be a helpful tool in our walk with God if we use it correctly. But we need to be careful not to put our trust in it instead of in God. We also need to be careful not to use it in a way that would be contrary to what the Bible teaches. With these things in mind, we can use numerology to help us better understand the Bible and grow closer to God. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks.